Fleming Island is a community known for its beautiful homes, family-friendly neighborhoods, and scenic views. But Florida's humid climate, frequent storms, and growing safety concerns make it essential for homeowners to choose upgrades that go beyond style alone. One of the smartest investments you can make is replacing outdated windows with modern, energy-efficient designs. Today's windows are engineered not only to enhance comfort but also to strengthen security, making them a perfect fit for Fleming Island living. Tackling Florida's climate for year-round comfort. Fleming Island homeowners are no strangers to hot, humid summers and the occasional stormy season. Old windows often struggle to keep homes comfortable under these conditions. How modern windows help. Energy-efficient glass. Low E coatings reflect heat during summer while retaining warmth during cooler months, creating consistent indoor temperatures. Multiple panes. Double and triple pane windows with insulating gas layers reduce heat transfer and block drafts. Durable frames. Vinyl and fiberglass frames resist warping, swelling, and rotting, even in humid environments. The result? Less reliance on your HVAC system, lower energy bills, and a more comfortable living environment all year long. Eliminating drafts and moisture intrusion. Drafty windows don't just make certain rooms uncomfortable, they also let in excess humidity, which can lead to mold growth and higher maintenance costs. Modern features that solve the problem. Advanced seals and weather stripping prevent outside air and moisture from creeping indoors. Proper installation ensures windows fit snugly, blocking both drafts and leaks. Condensation control with energy-efficient glazing keeps glass clearer and reduces interior moisture buildup. By sealing out the elements, modern windows help Fleming Island homes remain healthier, drier, and more enjoyable. Enhancing home security with stronger design. Safety is a top priority for any homeowner, and windows are often a vulnerable point of entry. Modern window technology provides peace of mind with built-in security features. Key upgrades for protection. Impact-resistant glass. Special laminated glass withstands force, making it harder for intruders or storm debris to break through. Reinforced frames. Stronger materials such as aluminum-clad or fiberglass frames add another layer of security. Advanced locking systems. Multi-point locks and upgraded hardware reduce the risk of forced entry. With these features, your windows become an integral part of keeping your family and belongings safe. Reducing noise for a more relaxing home. While security and comfort are essential, modern windows also offer the benefit of creating a quieter indoor environment. Insulated glass reduces outside noise from traffic, neighbors, or storms. Tighter seals block sound infiltration as effectively as they block air and water leaks. For Fleming Island families, this translates into more restful sleep and a more peaceful living space. Boosting curb appeal and resale value. Modern windows don't just improve functionality, they enhance your home's look and value. Stylish designs. From casement to double-hung and custom shapes, windows can complement any architectural style. Fresh appearance. New frames and glass make your home look well-maintained and updated. Market value. Energy-efficient and secure windows are attractive selling points for future buyers. This makes modern windows an upgrade that pays off both now and in the future. Final thoughts. For Fleming Island homeowners, modern windows are more than just replacements. They're an investment in comfort, security, and peace of mind. By eliminating drafts, controlling moisture, improving energy efficiency, and incorporating advanced safety features, they transform how your home feels and functions. Add in the aesthetic boost and increased resale value, and it's clear why upgrading your windows is one of the smartest home improvements you can make. If your Fleming Island home still has outdated, drafty windows, now is the perfect time to explore modern options. With professional installation and the right styles, you'll enjoy a safer, more comfortable, and more beautiful home for years to come.